Welcome back to MPV Auto. Rumors suggest that the 2025 Mercedes AMG G63 will incorporate substantial technological and design advancements. With a 48-volt mild hybrid system, the 4.0-liter V8 twin-turbo engine generates 577 horsepower and a maximal torque of 850 Nm. This hybrid system offers improved fuel efficiency and more responsive acceleration without compromising the G-Class's ruthless performance, which is its centerpiece. In addition, the efficacy of this V8 engine is enhanced by a starter-generator system, which guarantees a more fluid driving experience. Off-road cockpit technology is another update that provides drivers with real-time information about the position, height, and steering angle of the vehicle. This information is particularly beneficial when navigating difficult terrain. The transparent hood feature is designed to enhance visibility and safety, particularly when traversing obstacles or challenging road conditions, by enabling a virtual view of objects beneath the vehicle through a 360-degree camera. Although this rumor is merely a figment of the imagination, it is hoped that it will serve as a source of inspiration in the future. The AMG G63 now employs a semi-active suspension system that can modify its response to road conditions in real time, thereby enhancing driving comfort on asphalt and off-road. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.